In this part of video, I am going to explain you the e power x function of derivatives with the help of first principle. Let's start with the question. Like if we have y is equals to e power 3x, okay? So in this, what we will do, we will first add increment to both sides. We will get y plus delta y is equals to e 3x plus delta x. If x is in power, then we are supposed to add the delta x over there itself. So we get y plus delta y is equals to e power 3x plus 3 delta x. So this is my second equation and this is my first equation. What I will do, I will subtract first equation from second. What I will get delta y is equals to e power 3x plus 3 delta x minus e power 3x. So if we take e power 3x common from these two, then my equation will be e power 3x e power 3 delta x minus 1. So this is my equation, right? So next step is now divide both sides by divide both sides by delta x. So I will get delta y divide by delta x is equals to e power 3x e power 3 delta x minus 1 divided by delta x. Okay. So you can see here that we have to make this power and this denominator in an equal form. Okay. So what I will do, see, I will multiply and divide right hand side by 3. Now why I have taken 3? Because we have 3 delta x. Okay. So how I will write this, delta y by delta x is equals to 3 upon 3 into e power 3x e power 3 delta x minus 1 divided by delta x. Or I can write it in this way, delta y by delta x is equals to 3 e power 3x into e power 3 delta x minus 1 upon 3 delta x. Okay, so no issues if I put 3 over here because there is a sign of multiplication. Now you can see this 3 delta x in the power and 3 delta x is common. So this is the main motive, to make power and denominator as same. Now, before taking the limit, let me explain you one formula in mathematics, that whenever we take limit, so there is a formula in mathematics in which it is stated that if limits are taken, so in that case, e power h minus 1 divide by h, if it is there, then it is equals to 1 only after limits are taken. Right now we will apply this formula here. Here we take h is equals to 3 delta x. Okay, here h is equals to 3 delta x. So we have 3 delta x in power also and in denominator also. So what we will do now, we will apply limits. Apply limits. What I will get, delta y by delta x, limit delta x approaches towards 0 is equals to d by dxy is equals to 3 into e power x into 1. Why 1? Because why this 1 is there, see, because e power 3 delta x minus 1 divided by 3 delta x is equals to 1 as per this property. Okay, this rule. So instead of writing this, I will write this. So what is my derivative? So derivative of e power 3x is equals to 3 into e power 3x. I will write here 3x. Okay. So 3.3 into e power 3x is my answer. Right. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.